So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to tell you about an opportunity from Deloitte company. So I'm going to tell you about every important thing, so please watch the video till the end. So let me start by a job description. So you will be working as an analyst trainee. Okay, your role will be as an analyst trainee. So this is what about the job description. So as an analyst trainee, you will be expecting to develop strong technical skills in the system technology area you will be working in, and as a part of onboarding process on projects, you will be provided with training aimed at building proficiency in the role. It involves the development of technical and behavioral skills as per defined proficiency level, and understanding of organization specific tool and methodologies, and focus capabilities building on communication excellence, okay, as per as the standard of the company. So I will tell you about the work you will be doing, but before that let me tell you about the eligibility criteria. So the year of graduation should be 2022, and you should be having an aggregate marks of 60% or equivalent CGPA in your graduation. Okay, so a BTECH or BE student of computer science or allied computer science branches like information technology, mathematics and computing, and all other circuit branches, and also the one who has master degree, that is MTECH or ME of the same branches as that of bachelor degrees, are eligible for applying. Okay, it is given here. And also the MCA graduates are also eligible for applying, but one has to keep in mind that the one is not eligible for the hiring process if the company has visited their campus in the last 6 months. If it has, so you are not eligible for applying. Now let me come back to the work you will be doing. So there, as an analyst trainee, you will be delivering on specific capabilities in technology consulting. You will be understand business requirement and needs, support technical functional process, and document creation and maintain an efficient library. You will be building test and deliver solutions, support application designs, be responsible for technical specification creation, be responsible for code development and unit testing, be responsible for test data creation and test script and execution. You will be supporting the infrastructure building activities and also adhere to defined process and tools while performing day-to-day operation. Okay, so these will be some of your tasks that you will be doing in the company. So now let me tell you about the general expectations, that you should have the ability to chart one's career and build network with the organization, and also to work independently as a team with professional as well. Prioritize task and raise concern question wherever it is needed or appropriated. Interact with the stakeholders on regular basis through various mediums. You should have an ability to suggest practical solution and collaborate with the stakeholders to implement the solution. Possess knowledge of methodologies and understanding of process improvement initiative. Interact with client functional subject matter specialist. Willingness to work and shift. And candidate will be registered as an apprentice under the Apprenticeship Act through a tripartite agreement, which will involve the professional organization and appropriate government agency. And the selected candidate will be on 1 year probation from the joining date. Okay, so let me tell you about the skills requirement which are needed as an analyst trainee. So be deadline oriented and quality focused. Most important, you should have excellent communication skills, effective interpersonal skills, demonstrate professionalism, excellent analytical skills, good general understanding of IT, ability to code in any of the programming language, good work knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So now let me tell you about the selection process. So basically it is 5-stage process. First of all, you have to register through the link. Then the registered candidate will get shortlisted, and those shortlisted candidate will be going through an online assessment test, and after online assessment test there will be a personal interview, and it will be followed by a declaration of the result. So okay, so this is about the selection process. So here they have mentioned something about their company. If you wish, you can go through, and they have also provided the website to learn about more their global network of member firms. if you wish, you can go through this link and you will be going to the page where they have mentioned about their company. So okay, so if you are interested, if you need to know more, you please go through this link and know more about the company. So I have told you almost about everything, but yeah, I can't forget to tell you this. It is very important that registrations are already open. So please register before 19 December 2021 if you are interested for this job. So please register before 19 December. Okay, then only you will be able to qualify for other process after registering only. So opportunity is knocking at your door. Please apply as soon as possible. You can in description we have provided the link. So the link is given in the description. Please apply as soon as possible you can. Till then, keep learning, keep watching and keep exploring yourself. Thank you everyone.